Did you notice the sentiment score for real estate is hovering around plus 0.03? Given the historical context, that's a subtle shift, but paired with a momentum decline of minus 0.59, it indicates a potential shift in market dynamics. You might want to dig deeper into those 16 semantic clusters we're parsing, as they could reveal emerging trends or concerns that are influencing this momentum. Our API provides you with comprehensive sentiment analysis, delivering nuanced insights to help you make data-driven decisions. For instance, if you're building a predictive model for property valuations, understanding these sentiment shifts can enhance your forecasting accuracy. Ready to leverage this data in your application? Head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs to get started.